Welcome to our holiday episode of At Home with Katie. Now, there's something special about this time of year, and it always gets me in the mood for gooey, delicious chocolate fudge. And what makes my go-to fudge recipe really special is that I give it a nutritional boost with Culinary, which is Sunrider's nutrient-dense, concentrated blend of nearly 50 herbs. And I also add New Plus. Because we're in the holiday season, I like to sprinkle on festive colored sprinkles too. This fudge recipe is made without condensed milk or added sugar, making it guilt-free, vegan, easy to make, and thanks to the Sunrider products, it's packed with nutrients. Here's what you'll need. Add all the ingredients except the chocolate chips to a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. Add the chocolate chips and blend until combined. Top the mixture with sea salt and red and green sprinkles and then store in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you'd like to see more, please visit Sunrider's YouTube channel for more At Home with Katie recipes. And for more information about Sunrider and its healthy living products like Culinary, New Plus, and Sunnydew, visit us online at sunrider.com and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Wishing you a very happy holiday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.